Are you the best vegetable and fruit choppers? Vegetable and fruit choppers are indispensable tools for modern kitchens, streamlining meal prep and encouraging healthier eating habits. With the ability to dice, slice, and shred ingredients in seconds, these gadgets save time and reduce manual effort. To help consumers make an informed decision, we tested and compared 5 popular models across various price points, ranging from budget-friendly to premium options. Product 1. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer is a premium option priced at $29.99, offering versatile functionality with its 4-in-1 design. It features rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades for slicing, dicing, and spiralizing vegetables and fruits with precision. The soft grip TPU handle and non-skid rubber base ensure stability and control during operation, while the built-in catch tray minimizes mess. This model is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Its compact design and durable construction make it a standout choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. During testing, the Fullstar chopper impressed with its razor-sharp blades, delivering consistent results when chopping onions, potatoes, and cucumbers. The spiralizer function was particularly useful for creating zucchini noodles and other creative dishes. However, the compact size of the container limited the volume of ingredients that could be processed at once. While the dishwasher-safe feature was convenient, some users noted that the blades required extra care to prevent dulling over time. Product 2. Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1. The Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper, priced at $29.97, is a robust and versatile kitchen tool designed for efficiency. It includes 8 interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, julienning, grating, and shredding. The high-quality stainless steel blades are durable and produce precise cuts. The included food container and complementary scrubbing fork enhance convenience, while the compact design allows easy storage. Mueller's reputation for quality is evident in this product, making it suitable for busy households and professional kitchens alike. In performance tests, the Mueller chopper excelled at handling large quantities of vegetables, making it ideal for meal prep. The blades were sharp and effective for creating uniform cuts, and the food holder provided added safety when slicing smaller items. However, the larger size of the unit required more counter space, and the cleaning process was slightly more involved than expected due to food residue buildup in the blade slots. Despite these minor drawbacks, its versatility and durability make it a strong contender in its category. Product 3. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer, priced at $19.99, offers excellent value with its 6-in-1 functionality. It features 6 stainless steel blades for dicing, shredding, grating, and slicing, along with a 1.2-liter container for efficient meal prep. Made with BPA-free ABS plastic, this chopper is durable and safe for everyday use. Its compact size and attractive black and white design make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. In practical use, the Fullstar Mandolin Slicer delivered consistent results across various tasks, such as dicing onions and grating cheese. The finger guard provided added safety, and the cleaning brush simplified maintenance. However, the hand wash only requirement was less convenient compared to dishwasher-safe models. Additionally, the smaller blade size limited its efficiency for larger vegetables. Overall, this model strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious users. Product 4. Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer. The Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer, priced at $22.99, combines 9 interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, grating, and julienning. It features a dedicated cucumber slicer and grape cutter, adding unique functionality. The stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, while the included food container enhances convenience. Live customer care adds a layer of reliability to the brand's offerings. This model performed exceptionally well in tests, particularly for slicing softer fruits and vegetables like cucumbers and grapes. The ergonomic design and sturdy construction provided a comfortable user experience. However, the larger size made it less portable, and some users noted that the blade changes required extra effort. Despite these minor issues, the Mueller Mandolin Slicer is a versatile and reliable option for home cooks who value functionality. Product knife. Vegetable chopper. The Yushin Vegetable Chopper, priced at an affordable $9.98, is a budget-friendly option with 12-in-1 functionality. It features 7 dicing blades, a cheese grater, and a slicer, along with a water filter basket for added convenience. The ABS plastic construction ensures durability, while the non-slip base provides stability during use. Its compact design and lightweight build make it suitable for smaller kitchens. In tests, the Yushin chopper handled basic tasks like dicing tomatoes and onions effectively. However, the blade struggled with harder vegetables like carrots and potatoes. The integrated water filter basket was a unique addition, but felt somewhat gimmicky. Additionally, the hand wash-only requirement and lack of dishwasher compatibility added to maintenance time. While it may not match the performance of higher-end models, it offers decent functionality for its price point.